Just rented a kayak on the Flambeau River here in upper Wisconsin. Got my fishing rod, got my tackle. Looking for pike, looking for muskie, looking for whatever I can get. I'm gonna try to maybe get through. Guy said it slows down a little bit. I'm probably gonna wait till the river slows down a little bit before I start fishing, but let's go. I got like 4 or 5 hours on this yak to get something. I caught a bunch of little smallies yesterday, so I'm looking to get something a little bigger today. Maybe a northern there, bud. What do you say? Oh yeah. Beautiful day in the North Woods. Got a fish back here. Smallie maybe. Strolling by the road here. Hey-o. Nice smallie, nice smallie. Hell yeah. Real nice. Okay, bud. There he goes. Nice, dude. Finally got something. Nice smallie, probably 16, 17 inches maybe. Put up a good fight. Hell yeah. Up in the North Woods, just bagged a smallie. Crack beer. That's what life's all about. Ah, good work trip. Spicy splashy. Cooling off the nuts. So what's this? Ooh, shit. This might be a fish. Holy shit. Oh, come on. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Kidding me? Oh, I knew I had to set that fucking hook. God damn it. Oh, that thing was fucking huge. Holy fuck, dude. Just hooked a huge northern. Motherfucker got off. I'm gonna keep fishing this fucking run. It was right in this tailwater of this rock, probably right where I'm at. And I felt like a snag, but then I felt a move, and I'm like, ooh, that's something big. And it fucking jumped and spit my hook. I fucking should have set that hook better. Motherfucker, I didn't realize what I had on there. Let's try to get another one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Should be set. I gotta wear this out. I got no net. This is a good fish. Don't let him get under. I gotta wear this son of a bitch out. I think this is a big pike. Got another shot. Second big northern here. Oh yeah. My bow goes. I'll wear this dude out. Oh, it's a muskie.
Chaotic case of conquering domination. Psychopath snapped by chains of imprisonment.
shit. Woo! Look at this boy. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Holy fuck, dude. Oh fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. That's a fucking ski right there, dude. Holy shit. Woo! Fuck yeah. Yeah, big old hole right there. God damn. I don't know where it's right now. Holy shit. Holy fuck, dude. Let's give him a drink. Here, break your jawbone. Oh shit, he almost took my shoulder out.
The sun burns the ground, and my eyes filled with sand.
Oh fuck yeah, dude. All right, let's get him back in the water, get him going upstream. Holy shit balls. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Look at the size of this son of a bitch. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, dude. That's a fucking ski. That's what you come up to the North Woods for, bud. Fuck yeah. Oh, let's fucking revive this dude. He's gassed. I don't have a fucking, I didn't have a net, dude. I had to land him with the pogos. Oh, I'm glad this is a calm part of the river so I can let him run. You all right, buddy? You okay, bud? Fucking tank of a fucking fish. Wow. Some breaths, buddy. Get some breaths, buddy. Take her easy. Take her easy. You good, bud? There he goes. There he goes. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh, I'm so glad I lost that big pike, dude. I got another shot. Fuck yeah, dude. Northern fucking woods muskie, man. That's a big old, oh, fuck yeah, dude. Woo! Hell yeah. On the fucking rented yak with no net. Fucking landed him, released him. Fuck yeah, dude. That's what you come up to fucking Wisconsin for, bud. Hell yeah. Woo! I'll drink to that one. Fuck yeah, dude.